never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you.
The Secret Service plays a critical role in protecting U.S. and visiting world leaders, but it needs to partner with local and state agencies to carry out. Ow! Kevin Nally is the Secret Service's Chief Information Officer.
If the President of the United States wants to go to Richmond, Virginia, agents in Richmond, Virginia are going to work with law enforcement in and around Richmond together in a coordinated effort. That's huge.
I'm Nick Einelli.
Verizon Frontline is built for those on the front lines. Built for extreme conditions. Built for 5G. Because when lives are on the line, the people we rely on need technology they can rely on. Verizon is the #1 network choice in public safety. Verizon Frontline, the advanced network for first responders on the front lines. Visit Verizon.com/frontline to learn more. Based on quarterly third-party wireless voice.
What are we doing about Brandon?
Could have cleaned it.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Fuck!
Call 911.
I fucked my ankle.
Fuck my shoulder. I saw him coming too late.
I slammed on my brake too. Fuck. I don't think I can even move.
Don't move. My door, I kept door wide open.
No.
Make sure I gotta get out of here. Maybe.
Ay.
I took a turn when he's not.
In a quarter mile, turn right.
God damn it!
Dude, let it go. The ambulance got on your ass. Man, he's still going. And it's gone. Vesper Medical Services.